What I'm trying to replace is a hydraulic pump. It's labeled Cress-Sen Manufacturing Minneapolis. This went on a dual loader, probably 65 years old. There's the outflow pipe. It would of course be a 540 PTO because the tractor is a John Deere 60. Take a look. There's the pipe that goes in. Somehow it has to have enough power to run this particular, run a dual loader. That bar would of course clamp to the drawbar so it doesn't spin in circles. But that's what I'm looking for, and if you can give me a make and model that would probably run a 60-year-old loader tractor, I'd really appreciate it. Let me go spin it around the other direction again. I think that's pretty much all the sides. Again, John Deere Model 60 with a dual DU-AL loader attached. And I need a new hydraulic pump to fit in a 540 PTO. Thank you.